Hi, welcome to Quote Booster. I want to show you a new feature that we just released on the site today. It's on the amortization calculator, but within 2 weeks we'll have it on all of the different calculators because it's actually really easy to integrate now that we have the base set up. But this is what the feature is. So it's an AI loan data extraction, and there's a reason why it's just doing the extraction. So what we can do is we can describe our loan using any natural language. I want to buy a 400K house, put 20% down. The interest rates are 5.785%, and I want to do a 15-year conventional loan. What we're going to do is click extract loan data. It's going to parse this using the latest LLMs, Gemini, Cursor, OpenAI, Claude. We actually are running multiple ones to see which one is the most accurate for the price. But what you'll notice here is it doesn't actually run the calculations through the LLM. It just provides the inputs to send to our servers. So we don't want the LLM to be running the financial data, and we have so much really important data and different metrics and comparisons that you can get, especially in the year summary, doing a yearly breakdown versus a monthly breakdown. LLMs could hallucinate some of the results for this, but what we wanted to do is speed up the input that you have here. So notice I didn't actually tell it the loan amount. It just figured that out on its own, and it did the correct input. It correctly gets the interest rate, and then it correctly selects the term, and then it will submit that data for us. It sends us the data back, and boom, we already have it. Another way that this is useful is if you have an email. I have a sample email right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this information. I'll delete all of this. Let's see, clearly input. I'll put this new information in. Notice this is 2,400 characters, right? So this is a big email. Maybe I don't want to run through it. I just copied and paste kind of a fake email for an example. I'm going to extract the loan data from this, and then it just needs to parse out this information. So it switched the term, it got the interest rate right, and then it got the loan amount right. And all it did was extract that data. And then again, we're sending this data to our servers so that we know that the results are true every time. Whereas if we get an error just parsing that data, it's really easy to validate that if we go back and just look through those inputs. And then of course, we make it really easy to share the numbers. You're not sharing the information that you sent here. You're only sending the loan information, or you can just share the calculator. And then of course, like all of our calculators, if we look at it on a mobile view, you'll notice it looks really great. This easily can expand. We added these buttons here, so if you actually do manually want to adjust the loan, it makes it really easy to slide that. You can click this button and it will automatically scroll down to a mobile view. So we take a mobile first approach to our development, where we put a lot of time just to make sure it's really easy to use, to navigate on a mobile device, and also to share, right? You're going to be wanting to communicate loans with loved ones, with clients, with your loan officer, with your friends who can give you advice about this. So this makes it really easy to share the numbers or just share the calculator, right? If you share the calculator, it just uses the defaults. If you share the numbers, again, it's not going to share the data, the email that you just put in there. It will only share the information that you sent there. We have a lot more AI features that we're going to be rolling out. Image and PDF are coming next, and then we're going to add this to all of our financial calculators. And it's a really cool layer that AI can just inject into everything, because we just add it so that filling out the form is so much easier and faster. And all of the financial calculators that we have lots of tests, programmatic, basically API for, it's all static, and it works really well with that. So let us know what other features you would want to see, and we're happy to add it. And also, this is some of our newest videos. So if you have any feedback just on the video quality or tips to make it more enjoyable or more educational, just let us know. Thanks.